How to fix Marvel Rivals DirectX 12. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open up Steam application in your PC. Once you open it up, you want to go ahead and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on Library and then right click on the Marvel Rivals, tap on Properties, and from here tap on Install Files. Now inside Install Files, you want to go ahead and tap on Verify Integrity of Game Files. So in the most case, doing this is gonna fix your problem, but if not, tap on Browse. Now go ahead and tap on Marvel Game. Choose the launcher, right click onto it, and then tap on Property. Now go ahead and tap on Compatibility, and now tap on Run this program as administrator, and then simply tap on Run this program in compatibility mode for. Start with the Windows 8, tap on Apply and then tap on OK, and see if that fixes your issue. If not, come to Steam again, right click onto it, Properties, come to the General section, and then simply try DirectX11. You want to go ahead and type in -DX11 and that should work for you. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.